Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a henna design. So please stay tuned and watch from the beginning to the end. This is the woman that actually wants to do the tutorial for the day, as you can see, and this is the product she mixed together. She just go ahead and mix the products inside a small tiny nylon, and she begins to work on the hand. As you can see, first thing, she draw a circle. After drawing the circle, she begin to do the basket design. As you can see what she's doing right here, guys. So after that, she go ahead and draw a tiny circle close to the first circle. Then she begin to work on it. Please watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you not miss any step of doing this lovely henna design. So this tutorial, I'm not the one doing it. This woman based in Ibadan. So if you are my subscriber staying in Ibadan at Gbagi area or Iyano Agbala, so if you need this woman to come and draw your henna design or your henna tattoo, please let me know in the comment section so that I will drop a number for you. It's not for everybody, but if you wish and you really love her work, because she's very good at what she does. So if you really love her work, let me know in the comment section, then I will give you her contacts. She also do home service if you wish. Can you see, guys? So she keep designing it. So I don't know how to explain all these ones, but please just watch from the beginning to the end. You will understand what she's doing here. So I just feel like sharing with you guys this, since this channel based on tutorials, so I decided to share with you guys. So please pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end. And if you are new turning to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave at the end of this tutorial. And for my old subscribers, as in my returning subscribers, you guys are let me give you the love. So please share this video to your loved ones. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. Please share. That is the only way we can grow this channel together. Please share this video to your loved ones and let me know in the comment section if you love this video and if the tutorial is helpful. So guys, that's how this woman keep going with the lovely design. As you can see, so I don't really know how to explain much about this design, but you can see yourself the way she's doing it. Just focus and pay attention. Can you see the way she's doing it? And you'll be very happy to see the final look of this design. She's very good at what she does, trust me, guys. So that's how she keep going with this lovely design. She actually did 2 design, and this is the first one she's doing here. So I will actually show you the second one too for you to know, and let me know if you prefer the first design or the second design. Let me know in the comment section. So that's how she keep going with this lovely tutorial. Can you see, guys? Yeah. So after when she finished doing the first one, can you see? So she take another long one around the hand. So just bear with me, guys, because I don't really know how to explain this one. You know, it's not my work, I'm not the one doing it, so I just try to share with you guys. So just pay attention and watch yourself. You will understand what she's actually doing here, for those of you that love henna design. So just keep watching. Yep. And if you are new to this channel, please, this channel based on tutorial where you'll be seeing different types of hairstyle, how to tie gele, how to draw henna tattoo, and how to do lovely local and modern hairstyle like Didi, sleeping Didi, and so on. So please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. That's how this woman keep going with this lovely design. As you can see, she's very good at what she does. Yes. Yep. I love this woman because her work is very neat. Can you see the way she's doing it? So my lovely subscribers staying at Ibadan, Gbagi area. So if you need this woman contact, let me know. Can you see? Now she's done with the first one, and this is the second one she's doing. And guess what? This is my hand. The second one is my hand. So this is how I flaunt with my henna design. As you can see, this particular one she's doing right here is Queen Aniki's hand. Yep. So guys, let me know in a comment section if you love the first one or you love the second one. And see, she just used products of 500 naira for this lovely design. I wish I'm very good the way this woman is drawing this. I'll be very glad. But I'll still learn. I'm still learning. You can also learn from this. Yep. Can you see? I love the flower. Everything about this design, I love it. That's how she keep going with this lovely design, as you can see. Please share to your loved ones, subscribe, and don't forget to turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. And if you also have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please feel at home. Let me know in the comment section if you have any hairstyle that you want me to do tutorial on, and I will be very glad to upload your request. Can you see? Yep. She's almost done. She's asking if she should design the small toe. Can you see? And this is the final look. You wait like 30 or 1 hour for the henna to dry. After when the henna get dried, it starts peeling out on its own, and some people have a reaction on their hand, but not everybody. When the thing is getting dry, can you see? So when it gets dried, after 1 hour, you go ahead and you wash it off, and you begin to slay with your henna design. That is all about this tutorial, guys. So let me know if you love this particular video, and if this video is helpful, please give this video a very big thumbs up and share to your loved ones. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you here, and I love every one of you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your caring. Thank you. I really appreciate you all. And this is the final look of the henna design, as you can see. So this is the final look after when the henna is dried. Can you see how beautiful it is? Very lovely. So bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.